Hello, here are a couple of tips about stitch markers. They come in all different sizes, different materials, different colors. I like to keep mine tidy by putting them on a stitch holder like this, just so I can find them one at a time easily, or even on a piece of yarn or thread. But there's an even better tip that I'd suggest. If you don't have the right kind, right size at hand, you can make your own. Let me show you. So here I have a piece of yarn or a piece of pearl cotton, and I have just tied those into knots, overhand knot with a big loop, and that loop will slip onto my needle, and that's my stitch marker. I use a contrasting color to the yarn I'm working with. This is also extremely handy if you're working in a classroom full of children. If they lose some of these, it's a little harder to find them or replace them, but there's always a bit of yarn or pearl cotton or some other kind of slippery material available. So enjoy making your own stitch markers and you'll never run out.